34 Kerwin Way in Lockridge. Old but large home with timber floorboards on a full-size 692 square metre block with subdivision potential. Let's have a quick look through. Large amount of living space. Through to the kitchen. A rear storeroom. Through to both the central kitchen, the big gas oven and stove. Laundry is accessible here, and there's a toilet. Timber floors throughout, ducted air conditioning. Bedroom number 1. You're very welcome to get a structural building inspection. There's also roller shutters at the front for most, if not all, of the windows. This is the master room, so you've got large built-in robes, and then also coming through another look here, back through to the bathroom. So you've got a combined bath and shower. And then the third bedroom here, also ducted. Through to the backyard. Up until 2 weeks ago approximately, the pool was nice and blue, and then there has been a leak which has left it looking green, but that is in the process of getting remedied. Very big pool. Drive-through access to the rear. And that's 34 Kerwin Way.